Today, in math, we're going to talk about sets. Yeah, we're going to talk about sets. Say, ooh. Sets are groups of objects. Say, ah. I have 5 sets of objects. Guess what my objects are? Raise your hand if you know. Drew, what do you think they are? Yes, I have 5 sets of candies. They're wrapped candies. And we're going to get in groups. And we're going to learn today how to divide by sharing. Today, in math, we're going to learn how to divide the candies by sharing. Mirror.
Yeah.
Today, in math, we're going to learn how to divide candies by sharing. Mirror.
Mirror.
Today, in math, we're going to learn how to divide candies by sharing. Teach your neighbor what we're going to do in math today. Teach.
Okay. Today we're going to divide candies by sharing.
Awesome. Hands and eyes.
In eyes.
Now, you are sitting in rows of 5. I did that on purpose. Because what I want you to do is everyone that's sitting on row 1, I want you to go sit right over there. Harlem, here's your bag. Don't do anything yet until you get directions. Just sit together with your row. Everyone that's sitting on row 2, I want you all to come right here. Wonderful. Class. All right. Now, we're going to divide the candies by sharing, but I want to make sure that everyone in the group gets a fair share. Raise your hand if you know what fair share means. What do you think, Nevaeh, when I say fair share? What does that mean?
It means everybody gets the same amount.
All right, it means that's wonderful. Good job. Everyone say Nevaeh. You're wonderful. And she is wonderful. Good job. It means that everyone gets the same. And if it's the same, there's another word that means same that mathematicians use. There's another word that means the same that mathematicians use. Raise your hand if you know the other word that means the same that mathematicians use. Gary, what's the other word? Equal, yes. A fair share means that everyone in your group is going to get an equal amount. Now, there are 2 things that I want you to do with your bag of candies, though. Before you share, I want you to count them. Now, I can tell you right now, all the bags have the same amount. But I want you to count them. So when you open the bags, don't do it yet. You're listening right now. Hands and eyes. Hands and eyes means that your eyes are on me, your mouths are closed, and your hands are together. So no one should be moving, and eyes should be on me. For directions. All right, you're going to take your candies out of the bag, and you're going to arrange them in a way that's easy for you to count them. You could put them in groups of 5s. You can put them in groups of 10s. You can put them in groups of 2s. Yes, that's a good idea. So, the one thing that I don't want you to do, I do not want your group to count by 1s. Nope, won't work today. I do not want you to count by 1s. You can either put your candies in groups of 2s, or you can put your candies in groups of 5s, or you can put your candies in groups of 10. And then I want your group to work together and count the group. Count the candies that you have. And then you're going to share with everybody how your group counted. Now, we're working together with a group. Tell me some things we need to do and we need to remember when we're working with a group. Abigail? But what do we need to do when we're working with a group, Drew?
Teamwork.
Okay, teamwork. Good answer. Everyone look at Drew and Abigail. Say Drew and Abigail.
Drew and Abigail.
You're wonderful.
You're wonderful.
And I like that Grace split her 10-finger rule and she gave 5 to Drew and 5 to Abigail. Do that. Ooh. Yes, teamwork. But teamwork means that we have to be polite to each other. Can we push and shove and pat each other? No. We have to work together to get the candies in a group. And I'm watching you to see if you're working together well. Ooh. This group divided by 5s. Let me see you count them.
5, 10, 15, 20, 21.
Awesome. Let's see how this group divided them. Ooh, they divided by 5s. Count them for me.
5, 10, 15, 20, 21.
That's not fair though, because look, you only have 1. Y'all got to get it where everyone has a fair share. Hold on to your 1 more. We'll talk about that in just a minute.
3 and 3.
Okay, try 3 and 3 then. Let's see how that works.
3 and 3?
That what this is this group. They're working. They're trying to figure it out. They don't have it. Do you all have the same amount? Oh, why don't you know? Put them right in front of you so you can see. Don't hold them in your hand. Oh, we'll talk about it. Okay. But now look, you got a lot of extras. You think you could pass? Wait. Okay. Ooh, good idea. Let's see what you got. Does everybody have the same amount? Ooh, that's not okay. So that means you got 1. Oh, cool. So you got 1 extra. Everyone has how many in this group? 4. Everybody. Does everyone have a fair share? Absolutely right. Everyone has a fair share. That's good. You all have how many? 4. So does everyone have a fair share? Yes. How many does everyone have in this group? 4. Today for math, we're learning how to divide sets by sharing. Now we just did it with candy, real candy, with our friends in the classroom. Now you have linking cubes on your desk. You're going to pretend that your linking cubes are candy. We're going to do a fair share, so that means that each person or each plate should have the same amount. All right. Oh, please follow directions quickly. Good job, Grace. All right, awesome. Look how Evie has divided. Good job. Lakina is giving everyone at her table a fair share. Good job. Garrett, how many did each person get? Okay, Garrett says each person got 2. Good job.